So there is a new Sora 2 update, which is insane. Basically, here you can see OpenAI came out with character cameos in Sora AI app. And here you can see you can basically upload any toy, any animal. You cannot upload realistic human faces, but you can upload products, and I will show you what you can do. I uploaded this vitamin basically bottle and this little SD card, and as you know, the SD cards are so small and the text on them are really small as well, but the Sora 2 nails the products, the characters like 100% correctly. And here you can see, here is the video that I created with this bottle. So as you can see, the text basically is spot on as on this bottle, like Herbalife Nutrition, Vitamin and Mineral Complex for Man. Everything is like 99% correct, depending on how you record the video, because all you have to do is just record a video of, for example, this SD card or of a toy. By the way, the tutorial will be at the end of the video how you can do it. So here is the second video with the SD card. It is basically me in a burning house. And if we zoom in, you can see this is spot on, perfect, all the details. And what I did, I just used my phone and uploaded, basically recorded a video of this card and uploaded it to basically Sora 2. And the best part is that you can do this with any product you want. And the second feature with characters is this. For example, I created this really nerdy looking professor shirt with thick glasses and squeaky voice talking. Here you will click on these three dots and here you will create a character. So you can basically generate a AI characters and create a character. So this means that you will have consistent person in your videos. So for example, you want to create someone funny or someone that is singing, or you want a specific person to be consistent in your ads. You can add the products as well. So this is another great feature. And the best part, you can create so many characters. So for example, here is a guy that has created 25 characters. If you don't like them, you can delete them. You can basically upload your pets, anything you want. Other update that Sora 2 launched is basically launching soon is that ability to buy extra generations in Sora. For example, you can only generate 30 videos every day. For people like me that are creating content, the 30 videos is not enough. I want to create like hundreds of videos a day. And right now they are rolling out that you will be able to pay for your generations if you basically go past the 30 videos per day. And other things they are teasing that you will be able to pay for the cameos from basically beloved characters and people. So for example, maybe the Michael Jackson estate allows you to make Michael Jackson videos only if you pay, for example, 50 cents or $1 per video. So this again creates a new opportunities for these celebrity estates to make some money with people using the celebrities in their videos. Eventually we'll need to bring the free generations down to accommodate the growth. So because right now if you have a free account not paid, you can create 30 videos a day. They will be basically cutting that, but that's okay because obviously they have to basically sustain it. At the end of this video you will see the full tutorial how you can create a characters, upload products. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Hey folks, so first you just tap on this button on your profile page that says create character. Then you upload a video of the character. It can be a video you took or even a Sora video. Then you choose the part of the video you want to upload. It's really just a few seconds. And you let the upload do its thing. Then you give your character a name and a little display photo if you want. And then you can describe your character, guiding how they'll be generated, and you can add restrictions if you'd like. Then you choose who can use your character. And now, just tag them like you would any other cameo when you want to create a gen. Have fun!